Welcome everybody to Omnisend's Marketing Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and help you increase your sales. Now, this week I talked all about using SMS and MMS as part of your overall marketing program. And here are the main takeaways for the week. SMS growth has been exploding over the past several years because everyone texts, from Gen Z to baby boomers. SMS is an established communication channel, and like email, it's an opt-in channel. So begin collecting mobile numbers now. It'll give you a head start when you're ready to launch an SMS program, or give you an easy way to begin using SMS inside of your automated workflows. SMS is a great way to supplement email unsubscribes and can help you lower your paid retargeting costs. Because SMS has near immediacy for being seen by the recipient, it makes perfect sense to use them to announce promotions such as flash sales and last chance reminders. Be sure to use SMS in your automated email workflows, but don't feel you have to send one text for every one email. Send the text message when it adds value for the subscriber. MMS can be a great addition to your text messages, and while you can use them in every text message sent, they do come with an extra cost. Because of this, use images when it makes most sense to do so, such as with product abandonment messages, new arrivals, product announcements, and on high traffic days like Black Friday. Creating a robust opt-in SMS marketing program will no doubt help your brand connect with a modern-day customer and increase your sales, just like Divatrist did. Hope you're able to find something useful in this week's tips that will help you increase your own sales. I'd love to sign up for your SMS program, so be sure to let me know about it on Twitter or LinkedIn. We'll see what happens from there. So thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove how we can help you double your conversions, either with SMS or email or both. Until next time, happy marketing.